Okay guys, my bad. I did a couple videos on left side air shock replacing and all that, but I never mentioned the adaptation that you got to do at the end to make sure all the wheels are has the equal heights. And so the first thing we're gonna do is you gotta check the tire pressure. Okay, front is 39, rears are 46. And then you're gonna measure from the center here of the logo to the edge here. Okay, and you're gonna enter the number in millimeters. Okay, so in this case, the left front is sitting higher, so it makes sense because the numbers are higher. So these are my numbers already. Okay, TPMS first, and then record the measurement of the wheel heights and enter in millimeters, like I told you guys. Go from the center here to the edge here. Okay, on the line. Okay, and enter that in millimeters. Then you're gonna need a scan tool. In this case, I got Odis because I gotta enter those numbers in the adaptation, and then the suspension control module gonna do all the necessary settings. Okay. I do recommend to have a battery maintainer connected. That way you keep voltage at all time. Keep the right voltage. Okay guys, this is me giving you a heads up. You need your PR codes for the suspension. Get that from the service writer. I got 1BK, and that should be the option number 3 there. 1BK air suspension is off-road. Okay, so on the right side, I'm gonna hit option number 3. Number 3 there, 1BK, as you can see. So I'm gonna click 3 there. Now the system knows what it has, you know. That's why it's very important to enter the right PR codes. Okay. In the event you got a problem, that's a glitch. I have the ignition off, I think. If you have a problem getting the PR codes, provide me with a VIN or whatever, and I could get it for you. Okay. It's gonna ask me, okay, those are the specified numbers. That's what it wants to see. So in a minute, you gotta tell the computer if those numbers matches what you got in the car. Of course, now I already measured them. That didn't match, so I hit option no. And then it's gonna ask you like you need to have the door closed and all that. Nobody sitting in the car. Those are the default thing right there. Okay, so that's that. And so since I hit no, now it's gonna try to do some settings on couple heights. It's gonna bring the car up and down a little bit and then put it in one position. And as you can see there, the level system is making some basic settings. So this is taking place in this step right now. And as you can see, as the test is going, the wheels are moving up and down. See, that one is higher now. It's bringing everything to one single height. So, you know, see, steps almost going, but that's what it's doing. It's making a couple adjustments on the air suspension. That's what that test is doing, okay? And it's gonna ask you if the suspension move up and down, and you're gonna hit yes because I did see it move, so hit yes. Now it's gonna ask you to measure from the center logo of the rim to the wheel well lip. Yeah, it's showing me those specified numbers again. That's what he wants to see. So it's gonna make me physically measure from the center logo of the rim to the lip and the well. I'm gonna show you in a second how you're gonna perform that. Okay, you're gonna need a tape measurement for that, so you could get the right numbers. Okay, and then you're gonna enter it at a later step. Okay. So right now that's what it's asking me. So this is how you do it. You go center logo there, center, to the lip there, right there, to the lip. Okay, and then enter that in millimeters. Okay, and this is what I'm doing here. Look how I'm doing it from the center logo. You gotta have a measurement that reads millimeters, okay? And the test gonna ask me to do this on each wheel and then enter the number accordingly, okay? So I'm measuring the first one, so I go into the scan tool and put that number in millimeter, okay? I think that was 500 or something, okay? It's making me do all this because the numbers don't match the specified values. If it was okay, then it would not make you do all this. But like I'm saying, guys, this is millimeters. It's gonna be off a little bit. So As long as you get a successful test and no focus, no warning lights, and everything looks even, you're fine. Okay, don't sweat it, guys. Don't go crazy. Okay, that's all the numbers. Input correct, yes. So I'm gonna hit yes. Those are the numbers. I just hit yes, everything, because it was give and take. It wasn't what the specified ones, but hey, they close enough. This is millimeters, so I'm not gonna go crazy. Don't go crazy, guys. Just hit yes and continue. Okay, all you wanna see is a successful test. If you give you successful, that is good. Then you all good, buddy. Okay. Good. As you can see, everything looks good. High, nice. Okay, that's the air suspension. That's what I repaired. I left front. And you can see, don't go crazy like I'm saying. If everything looks at the same height, don't worry. Okay, now it's doing more basic settings. Guys, and don't go too crazy. Just measure the vehicle, the height, enter it accordingly, like the scan tool was asking. Put the numbers in millimeter. Don't go crazy, because it's give and take. You're talking millimeters here. I mean, this is an old car, so I mean, it's not gonna be perfect on every side. All right. So enter the numbers in millimeter. Put in the scan tool. If you get a successful test, no fault code, leave it alone, guys. Okay, guys, thumb up if you like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.